Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Apps Academy. In this video, I'm going to show you how to unsubscribe from an email on your Gmail account. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in gmail.com and press enter. If you are using the application, just open up the application and you will be taken into your inbox after logging in using your credentials. Now, once you are logged in and you are inside your inbox, if you wish to unsubscribe from any email, then just go ahead and open up this email first. Once you open up this email, sometimes you will find the unsubscribe button right at the top section alongside the email address. You can just click on the unsubscribe button and you will be asked whether you are sure that you want to stop receiving emails from this email address. Click on the unsubscribe button once again and now you will be unsubscribed from this email right away. If you don't find the unsubscribe button right at the top, scroll the email all the way at the bottom and you will usually find a small unsubscribe button all the way at the bottom as well. You can click on this and once again you will be asked for confirmation. After providing your confirmation, you will be completely unsubscribed from the email that you just selected. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to unsubscribe from any email on your Gmail account. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.